Hello guys, today we'll learn the while loop and for loop and also how can we use these loops in LabVIEV. First we know about what is while loop and for loop. A while loop is a structure used to execute a block of code repeatedly until unless the given condition is met. What is for loop? For loop is conditionally stop the code execution in addition to its iteration based exit. Now we'll see the example of this loop. Now I am explaining counting a number and also we can see the difference between while loop and for loop. Take a loop from structure. While loop and also take for loop. Create one indicator to display the number. Delay purpose, create one delay timer. Create constant 500 millisecond. Copying this delay time to for loop. In while loop, create one controller for while loop. In for loop, this is loop count. Create constant. I am giving 10. Up to 10 count, the for loop will execute, but while loop continuously it executes the program. Changing the name as while. For executing the program. It's showing error. Here that wire connection is not there. Now run the program. For loop stop the execution, but while loop is continuously executing the program. When we hit this stop button, then while loop also stop the execution.